or leave me elbow on that. Hello there, everyone. Welcome to Blackpool, and I can see the topic coming down right now, because while we're up in here, we are going to ride all three principal versions of the buses they have here on Blackpool Transport, or attempt to anyway. And we're going to do these in three parts. So in the first part, you're going to get the Enviro 200MMC. In the second part, which will go out later this week, you'll get another one, and I hope there will be a third one, because there is only one of them out today, and I'd love to get a hold of it. So we are going to take advantage of our 3-day ticket that we've got, and we're going to ride that Enviro 200MMC all the way up to where's it going? Fleetwood Ferryport. Now the one essentially follows the tram route all the way up to Fleetwood, so it'll be interesting to see. I know it's a little slower than the tram would be, but it'll be interesting to see what one of these is like. I've not rode on one of these Blackpool Transport E200MMC short wheelbases yet. So we're going to pop over to our bus stop, which is just I don't know if you can see it, just behind the pole over there, and then it's onwards to Fleetwood. I think they're just doing a driver change first. Changing over for a little bit. I should mention all these buses of Blackpool Transport do come in this standard Palladium livery. Palladium essentially being like Stagecoach Gold, first or either Sapphire, but all the buses now come out in Palladium specification. So yeah, going to be interesting to see what these things are like. Yeah. Oh, somebody's left their bag up here. Interesting. Very interesting, to say the least. And just like that, we are on our way to Fleetwood. You can see there's the next, let me just zoom in there. That right there is the next stop destination boards right there, which will tell you the next stops when we come to them. It even gives you a nice little map as well to tell you where we're going. Square. Oh, look at those planes. They look proper nice, they did. It's a beautiful castle, isn't it? It is Norbreck Castle Hotel. I would love to stop there at some point, just to see if it feels like a castle on the inside as well as the outside. Be interesting to find out, definitely. this bus does come with Wi-Fi, so let's see if it's working. Got see if the old Wi-Fi will connect. Oop, there we go. For some reason it's blurring. It is there, look, it's the Blackpool Stop one right there. Hold on. Right then folks, time to see if the Wi-Fi is working on this E200MMC Blackpool Transport Wi-Fi. It's going to tell me I have to sign in. There you are. All you gotta do is click the arrow. Oh, I have to do a questionnaire. Okay. Just connect. I'd like you to connect, please. We'll get there eventually. And there you go. We are connected to the Wi-Fi eventually. Eventually, he says. Now, at your seat, as we're just coming up to Cleveley's. Yeah, is it called Cleveley's Aldi, I think it is, or something. So you've got a USB charger, 2 USB chargers assigned per seat for your USB socket. You've got this right here. Now, what do you think this is right here, folks? Well, I tell you what this is right here. If you push that, that pulls out, and you can put your mobile phone in there. So it's a mobile phone holder of sorts, which I think is rather nice, actually. The seats are all this faux leather, or pleather as we like to call it. Also comes with air conditioning as well if you open the windows. I wouldn't advise it today because it's absolutely freezing. And also you have 2 disabled access areas. Now I'll show you there. There's one just there and there's one over there. And that is for pushchairs and wheelchairs over there. And here's Cleveley's tram stop. Oh look, Simon. It's a defibrillator. Now these Enviro 200MMCs that we're travelling on, they are part of there's a 2-part batch to them. So there's this batch, which is the older batch, which is 218 to, I want to say 218 to 235. I could be wrong, it could be 217 to 235. And these are 34-seaters, so these are sort of mini MMCs. Whereas the other half of the batch, which is 560 to 586, they are 43-seaters, so they're the bigger of the 2 batches that they have. But I have to say, all in all, we've been travelling now for what, about 20 minutes? And I feel absolutely fantastic. It hasn't rattled, it hasn't had any issues with it, and all in all it feels really relaxing to be on this bus. It really, really does. Apparently this is the last stop of somewhere. So that's the tram stop right there. And one thing I have noticed since we've been riding now about 25-30 minutes, no trams have passed me. I'm hoping that there's no issues on the tram network. That would be unfortunate. Oh yes, all these MMCs and cities come with stop-start technology. Euro 6 compatible they are. It's a lovely bit of the country, isn't it, heading up towards Fleetwood. That rather notable chime of the MMC. Ding ding, ding ding. Lovely, thank you very much. Oh, actually, that's the next 14. So that works out nicely for me. And there we have it, folks. The Alexander Dennis Enviro 200MMC. It's a lovely bus. Here's the short wheelbase version, but it's one that I think is very, very much underappreciated, not just as a bus, but also other things as well. But anyway, that's going to end this vlog. Hope you did enjoy that. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank you as well to the channel members. Your continued support of the channel does mean the absolute world to me, and it always does. If you want to be a member of the channel, it is $3.99 for membership. We're still pumping out the vlogs for 3 days a week. All is good with the world. So join us next time, because I think you know which bus we're going to ride next. Well, it wouldn't be me if we didn't ride the Enviro 400 City, would it? So until then, I'll see you all next time.